Now for the Guinness cake. I have greased and lined my cake tin, and in a bowl to be all beaten together into a batter I have 250 ml of oil, I have 300 grams of plain flour, I have 70 grams of cocoa powder, 400 grams of sugar, I need 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and of baking powder. I have 2 eggs whisked, and lastly 150 ml of sour cream. Oh, I've almost forgotten one vital ingredient. The Guinness. Of course, 250 ml of Guinness. Now all the ingredients are in and it's mixing time. That's the lovely, smooth, velvety chocolate batter ready to go in the oven. Goes in the oven 180 for 55 minutes. Set the timer for 55 minutes. So here we have the end result of my first attempt at a Guinness cake. By no means perfect, but I think you can get the idea of the dark cake followed by the creamy topping. I've used creme fraiche, Baileys and some icing sugar to kind of bind the topping.